To pair your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro with iPhone, first you need to take your band and then choose a language that you want to use on it. In this case, I'm going with the English. After that, we can proceed to download MyFitness app. You can find it on App Store. And when the app is downloaded, click on it, follow the instructions, and allow any permissions it will ask for. And then also make sure to log into your account on the profile. Now we can select Add a device. And right here, make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled, after which we'll be able to continue with the setup. Click on the smart band that is visible right here, and the connecting should begin. Now we need to confirm the pairing process on both of the devices, and again allow any permission. There's the introduction. I'm just gonna skip through it quickly. And our setup is basically done.